Every achievement of yours has something peculiar to do with your heart, your gut feeling, your internal spirit, your inner declarations, your surging passion to win, your indomitable faith to rise above adversity, your restless mind constantly preoccupied with a goal to be reached. You achieve only those things which you firmly believe in. A casual desire is worthless. It can fetch you nothing. It will not stay for too long. When the going gets tough, it will droop and fall off before you could even realize it. So to achieve something, you must believe that you possess the talent, the skill, the knowledge and the resources to achieve it. You can accomplish only that much as you can believe. So pronounce to your chattering mind, I can do it. Say to your ailing heart, I will do it. Speak to your spirit within, I have to do it. By doing this, you will have won 99% of the battle, for you will receive the very evidence from within. For whatsoever you proclaim, you will achieve. To accomplish big things, you must believe in yourself. Mere action is not enough. Therefore, strive hard every minute of the day. Dream the same dream every night. You must ignite your desire and set it blazing, for desire carries an immense power. Be passionate of everything you want in life. The burning desire is the very soul of your efforts. Without passion, success is a sluggish journey. Fear lesser and lesser on each step you take. Confront every fright with each forward stride. Trample the frail doubts which distract you on the way. Maim the fears which pull you backward and hold you back from proceeding ahead. Remind yourself every now and then that your fears are sheer imaginations. Discern your most terrifying fears, knowing in your heart that they are nothing but blunders of your own mind. Don't ever get bullied by them. Stand bold and face them with grit and courage, and you'll see them vanish like the morning mist. And if you're feeling low after a hard day's work, think of your bygone victories. Live each moment in a success-driven mindset. To be an achiever, you must stand for your beliefs. You must vouch for your convictions. Remember, time is on your side. Act now. If you must win this endeavor, if you intend to do something, do it right away. It's all that matters at this very moment. Your action will attest your faith in the thoughts that you have nurtured. There's no reason to wait. A timely beginning will assure a successful tomorrow. Change whatever you can possibly change and endure with patience what you cannot. Accept your limitations with silent composure. Know this for sure. Success is the reflex to your past failures. If you have aspired to succeed, then you must learn to stumble elegantly. Winning is not a consistent thing in a man's life. You may win or lose for whatsoever reason, but the power to act and change everything dwells within your very being. Ask any successful man the secret of his success, and he will narrate you an epic of his failures. So every great deed requires endurance. Nothing noble can be achieved without fortitude. Sometimes success would seem like one long and lonely road, long enough to crumble your patience and lose your calm. Hence, do not be disheartened. Be enduring. Be sober. Be diligent. For long-awaited success tastes the sweetest. Learn to wait a while to watch the world jostle on the highway of success. They will not reach there before you do. Then, having renewed your strength, resume your stance and hit back with a greater power to claim your most desired victory. Thank you, dear friends. and wish you a splendid success in all your personal and professional endeavors.